Human rights activists say Ahmadi's sentence underscores that conditions in Iran remain unchanged despite efforts by authorities to project a different image. Bahar Gandhari, director of advocacy at the US-based Center for Human Rights in Iran, said the 74-lash sentence served as yet another reminder that human rights conditions in Iran have not changed, despite the Iranian authorities' wartime propaganda campaign aimed at improving their image. She said the contrast between the government's messaging and the prosecution of artists highlighted the gap between the regime's propaganda and reality. Mubashir Buddha advocate the human rights activist says that this act is a chain of human rights violation as well in Iran. The case comes as acclaimed filmmaker Jafar Panahi, winner of the Palme d'Or, also faces imprisonment and a travel ban imposed by Iran's Revolutionary Court. Reacting to the ruling, Fatma Shams, a professor of Persian literature at the University of Pennsylvania, wrote on X that failing to describe such blatant violence as a crime against humanity, while speaking of peace without listening to the voices of victims, amounted to abandoning both truth and justice. She argued that genuine peace cannot exist while women, girls, and political prisoners continue to face systematic repression. Shams said peace means more than the absence of war or the end of bombardments. It acquires meaning only when women and peaceful protesters are no longer subjected to violence, and when flogging, torture and execution cease to be instruments of state control. She added that lasting peace would only be possible when no woman is criminalized for working, studying, singing, or choosing her own way of life, and when no one is imprisoned or executed for protesting, seeking justice or expressing an opinion.